Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 3, January 3rd, 2021 of our Marchesi vocal exercises. Today we're diving into exercise 3, which is the diatonic slur. And this exercise is very tricky because we span an octave and a sixth.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So even though Marchesi suggests that we sing this on an ah vowel, I invite you to explore different vowels through different parts of your range, especially if it feels like it's getting stuck. Because we are going through all the different parts of our range, you will find that on certain parts, maybe the tongue wants to retract, maybe the soft palate wants to lower, maybe something wants to cause a little bit of turbulence. So feel free to explore the different vowels on this one, and then you can apply what you felt to the ah vowel when you want to bring it back. So here we go.
Ah, 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 ah.
Now here, you want to feel a little bit more of that tilt of the head voice, and it might start feeling a little bit intense in terms of the resonance. But don't be afraid, don't shy off of that. Keep that going. So some things to be very mindful of are the cutoffs, because what's going to happen is the mind is going to want to end the note after the third beat, and immediately you're going to want to stop the vibration and the throat's going to want to close. So this exercise, you might be tempted to take out the breaths altogether and just keep it going. Don't do that though. This will really help the cutoff training. So if you can sync up your mind with that ending note and you say, okay, I'm going to vibrate through to the end and allow the breath to kind of end the note instead of sort of, just stopping like you hit the wall or something. And that is tricky to do, especially for me in that upper passaggio. If I don't think about it, it's going to grab, right? So really use this exercise to work out that like mind-body connection. So you'll hear it because if you listen to this, I'm cutting, right? I'm grabbing. And it's not so obvious right there because it's at a lower pitch range, but you can hear the difference. Right? So you can hear that the breath kind of lilted the end of the note. So really, when you're focusing on this exercise, use that as one of the most important things. And when you're descending, keep the resonance high as you're moving back down, that you don't let it drop, because then the note can fall a little bit out of tune.